Are you still going through the stress of frying your meat for stew? You really don't. Honestly, you need a good quality air fryer. My air fryer is like my best friend. To be fair, it's so useful. I use my air fryer for everything. In this video, I am showing you how I go in and roast my meat in the air fryer. And honestly speaking, I'm not exaggerating. It tastes as good as the fried meat. If you're really like, I just want a little bit of oil, you can definitely toss your meat in a little bit of oil. Before you put it in the air fryer, you see that most of the oil would drain out anyways. But the air fryer, I usually would do 390, select the air fry function, and I would roast the meat for about 20 minutes. But just remember, you want to toss it a couple times just to get it all around golden. And really, honestly guys, it is as good as fried meat. Beef, hard chicken, whatever it is, this is how you do it in the air fryer, and it's super duper flavorful and just as good as fried.